going to yeah.
We are arriving at Terminal 5.
Terminal 5, 12 tayo tigil. 12 pupunta. Iikot pa yan. Oh, wow. We are arriving at Terminal 5. Oh.
Bumaba tayo, 7?
7, yeah.
Saan tayo po?
12. Ano pala eh, kino-consolidate pala yung passengers because they arrive at different terminal. Like if they coming from...
Just think of it like,
What?
hindi lahat na pasahero ng vapor galing sa San Diego.
San Diego, yeah.
Just simple.
Simple.
Please stand clear. The doors are closed. Please hold on. This train is for airline terminals only. The next stops will be Terminal 4, 1, 8, 7, and 5.
Terminal 4.